Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm with Termax Pest Control. Today we're going to walk through the process of creating a draft for our blog. The purpose of our blog is to have the best search engine optimization that we can. This is the process by which we try to rank number one on Google whenever someone searches for our company. The way that we do this is through blog content. The process by which we create the blog is to first of all create a rough draft, and then secondly to edit it and post it to our website. Today we're going to go over the rough draft process. The basic criteria is that the article must have 405 words or more. It must be 3 paragraphs and have a subtitle between the first and second paragraph and a subtitle between the second and third paragraph. The subject and the Google search term must be used at least one time in each paragraph, and the subject and Google search term must be in the first sentence. The only thing that you're going to need is a Gmail account. From there, we'll use your Gmail account to give you access to our Google Drive that has all the software files and folders that you will need. Let's begin.
Okay, let's begin. In order to start, you want to log into your Drive at drive.google.com using your Gmail account. Once you're there, you want to find the marketing underneath shared drives. So go into this folder, marketing folder, and inside this folder, you will see blog posts. Next, you want to go here. And then once you're here, you're going to go into to be posted. And then lastly, you're going to go into your drafts folder. Now, this is a good one to star so that you can find it on a regular basis. Once you're here, you can find any of these and choose one to begin. This is the checklist for doing a draft. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our name in. I'm going to put my name in. And then we'll begin by going through the checklist. So first of all, navigate to drafts, which we've already done. This link here will take you actually straight to the drafts folder if you're already here. We chose and opened a document. Now, researching the subject is needed. There are 2 different types of content that I'll show you in this video. There's promotional content, and then there is informational content. If you'd like to do informational content, it's a good idea to research the subject by going to a .gov or .edu website. So we'll try that. We're going to do termites. And then in order to get Google to search only .edu or .gov websites, we will put site, S-I-T-E, .edu. That will make sure that all the websites that come up for termites end in .edu. So here's uky.edu, termite control, answers for homeowners. And here you can read about all the different termites, and from there come up with the information you'll need for an informational section of your document. So we've researched the subject. Now we're going to write the rough draft. 3 paragraphs, 2 headings between the first and second and the second and third paragraph, and a Google keyword in each paragraph. Okay? And we're going to need to use word count to make sure we have no less than 505 words. Now, 505 words includes the entire document, including this checklist. So we're going to go to Tools, and here's word count. And we're going to display word count while typing, so we'll click that. You can see we already have 100 words that are included in the checklist, so we only need 405 words in the actual document. Now you'll find the word count down here. So these are the Google keywords, and today our Google keyword is Tulsa Pest Control, which you can always find in the title of the document. So we're going to go here, and the best way to do this using a computer is to use your voice recognition. Now you have to be in Google Chrome to be able to do this in Drive. So we're in Google Chrome, and that's where we started this. We'll go to Tools, Voice Typing. Now as soon as I click this, everything I say will come up on the screen. And this is how we write our text. It's the quickest and easiest way. Now once you write this text, you don't have to edit it. It's not required for you to edit this. This is simply a draft. You just want to get all the words on the paper in the format that we described. So now we'll start writing our draft. Okay, now that I've finished the first paragraph, you can see I'm at about 200 words, and I've included Tulsa Pest Control Company and Tulsa Pest Control Company. So I've covered everything as far as needing to have my Google keywords in that first paragraph. Now we need to make sure that we have a title between the first and the second paragraph. So I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to create a title for my next paragraph. Termite colonies. As you can see, I used the voice typing to do that. Then once I finish that, I'm going to hit enter again. Now it's important that you don't leave any extra spaces between the paragraphs and the titles. Just one time enter to get to the title, and then one more time to get to the next paragraph. So now we'll write the second paragraph, which will be much more informational about termite colonies using this information that I found over here. Okay, for the final paragraph, we'll do the same thing as we did after the first paragraph. We'll start by pushing enter and then creating another heading. Now, this second paragraph was an informational paragraph. For the next paragraph, we're going to do more of a promotional paragraph. It's not going to require any sort of research. We'll simply use common sense to promote Termite Pest Control as a company. You can do this for the entirety of the article, or you can do informational for the entirety, or as I'm doing here, you can mix the two. So let me write a title. Termite Pest Control is the best at termites. Okay, now that I've written that, I'll hit enter one more time. And I will write the third and final paragraph of the draft in order to make this draft complete. And with that, we've finished the actual draft. We'll scroll to the top here and go through the checklist. Write a rough draft at the end of the checklist. Include 3 paragraphs. We've done that, 2 headings, and a Google keyword in each paragraph, which we've done. Using word count, we'll make sure we have 505, which we have 531, which is great. Now we're going to move the document to the to be posted folder. The easiest way to do this is to simply go here at the top where it says move, click, and then go to the to be posted folder. Now you can go through all locations, which will go to shared drive, marketing, blog posts, to be posted. And we're going to move it here. You can also use the starred location or any other way to get to the to be posted folder. Now we'll move the item. Lastly, we'll click the last 2 and close the document. Which means we've finished this draft. And with that, we've finished our tutorial on creating a blog draft. Of course, if you have any questions, you can go to the information on the document, or you can contact me directly. You can email me there at the email shown on the screen. Thanks for watching.
And with that, we've finished our tutorial on creating a blog draft. Of course, if you have any questions, you can go to the information on the document, or you can contact me directly. You can email me there at the email shown on the screen. Thanks for watching.